What's up everybody, what's up my good people, it's again your boy here Pozalite. Welcome back to my very interesting YouTube channel. In case you're new here, subscribe manze, finya your subscribe button na mambo itakuwa best. So guys, today we have another amazing content here. We are back with another chapter called Open Up Questions, and nimepatana a very pretty girl here. You can see my director. Zoom, show us, give us 360. So I've met this girl and nataka kumuuliza tu just a few questions hapa na pale. So just by introduction, unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Jojo. Yeah.
Unaitwa Jojo?
Yeah, Jojo.
Joy.
Yeah, Joy Grace.
Okay, first question, nikuulize ushaikula fare?
Fare sijawahi kula, lakini nikipata chance, nikipata opportunity
utakula?
Nayo.
Okay. M-Pesa balance yako sasa ni ngapi?
Lakini nakuanga rich kid. See, let's see.
Butuone, wacha tuone.
Balance.
Inaweza fika dhao?
170.
170 bob.
Changieni your girl, please.
170 only.
Only imagine. Na tukomande.
Okay. Okay. Another question. Can you kiss your boyfriend in public?
Well, yeah, I can.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it.
Uwezi ogopa?
No. See, I love him. Yeah, I'll kiss him in public.
So upata naye hapa hivi sai.
Yeah, I'll kiss him.
What? Okay. Another question. Can you smash your best friend's boyfriend?
No, I can't.
Why?
She's my best friend. There's no need to smash chali yake. Yeah, I can't.
Okay. Another question. How much money have you ever been given by a man?
By a man? Yeah. Like in total ama once randomly? Once. Randomly. Like ile once. 7K at most. 7K.
7K? Ukapeleka wapi?
I'm a lady, man. I'm a lady.
Sahi, another question. What if upewe 100K ama upewe someone else's boyfriend? Nipewe
chali ya mtu.
Ama 100.
Yeah, 100K. 100K bana. Wanaume, please, no. Just give me that 100K, I'm good.
Okay, what about upewe 100K na your boyfriend?
Boyfriend yangu achukuliwe nipewe 100K. Men will always be men. Even if without that 100K ataenda kucheat. So just give me that 100K aenda cheat.
Okay, you can choose 100K over your boyfriend.
Like we're in an era of where true love is not that cherished. Unaweza kuwa maybe yeye anaweza choose that 100K over me. You see? Yeah. So I choose 100K over my man.
Wow. Okay. Okay. And can you date a broke guy?
Well, broke inategemea mtu wako aje. As long as you're financially stable, I guess I can manage.
Okay. Na hata kama uko broke na unatafuta pesa, unaweza mpenda?
Anaonyesha effort. Na pia anaonyesha effort ya unajua mtu anaweza kuwa hana but he's trying. Unaona yenyewe this man is trying. You see? Yeah, I can. But ile broke. But then unajua pia unasemanga unaweza kuwa unatafuta a rich person na they are not generous, you see? But a broke guy, no, I can't. Okay. And can you kiss a man randomly? Well, no, I can't. But if I have a crush on that person, I can. But even too randomly that I've met a guy anakaa poa nini, no, I can't.
So sahi ni piki jamaa hapa hivi uwezi mkiss?
No, I can't. I can't.
Okay. Another question. Which is the weird position place have you smashed with your boyfriend?
Maybe I'm still children. Stop with Japona. I'm still children. are still children.
Okay, sawa. Last question, drip check. Acha tuone drip yako. Tuanze juu. Nywele?
Tunaanza nywele. Wewe hata kama imechapa chapa, I guess it was 1500 or something.
1500.
1500, yeah, because of the braids and the labor, you see. 1500. You know, that's my 1500.
Okay, specs?
Hey, is it they're from Gucci? They're from Gucci, 6K.
Sure.
6K, everything, the frame, the lenses, yeah.
6K. Earrings?
Earrings, this first set, I bought them at 100. Hizi mbili, these two, 100. Sasa sinipea. And then my hook, this side is 50 bob.
50 bob.
Yeah.
Okay, necklace?
Ilikuanga gift. Ilikuanga gift.
Ujini pesa ngapi?
Ujini pesa ngapi?
And this one?
My jacket. Hii ni ile ya mtumba. 300. 200.
200.
Pesa mingi.
And this ni
my corset. This corset. Pale Rongai, pale watu wa Rongai, just 100 bob. 100 bob, yeah, my corset 100 bob.
And the trouser?
My trouser, thrifted also, 250.
250. The shoes?
Zile ni zile za koja, hapo koja. Unaweza bagini 1000.
1000. Only bargain.
Unajua tuko katika nchi ya kubagini. Unajua hii maneno ya Zakayo.
Ni gori.
Ni gori.
Okay. Thank you sana for your time, manze. Yeah guys, tumekuwa tukipiga story hapa na Jojo. Umesikia tu lifestyle yake hapa hivi. Thrifted.
Ni kwa leo ni thrifted. Next time I will come with full force. Okay. The real me, this is not real me.
Okay, thank you guys. Bye till we meet again.
Bye.